We stayed in this house here. Please be noted that I forget to, or I needed to turn off the stabilizer, so this is quite shaky videos. Let's start the engine. And let's have a short visit over the area. And it was May, I think, 2021. So pretty quiet here. Let's visit this sauna area. There are two saunas straight ahead. The left one is a little smaller and right one is a big one, more than 10 people. On the right there is the equipment warehouse, which I pointed with my finger. There is a snow trekking shoes, canoeing equipment, and this is the restaurant open when there is a lot of people, if you have a rally or whatever here. So nice lakes, there are very many lakes. We have different videos showing this whole area shooted by drone, which tells you that there are more than 10 lakes next to each other. There you can see the boats, rowing boats. Nice walk away, and now I just checked that this sauna is closed and the key is in place and the code is mixed. So Finnish landscape and its beauty. Obviously we talk about here that let's have a roundabout over the whole area. Lapiosalmi Wilderness Center 2021. This left one is some house too, and straight ahead is this some kind of a main building. This could be a restaurant too, the breakfast place. It has a sign there, you can check it out. On the right, reception. If you come and camp the area, you can have a ticket there. Actually, there is one car. I don't know. They could be the service people also, but also visitors. And here you can see a lot of fireplaces. This is the hiking track starting from here. You see the fireplace is just a simple concrete ringle to cover the fire. So what an excellent place to have a motorcycles rally, youngsters or olders rallies, camps. Reindeer just run away. So this is the corner of this area. Marita is there strictly following me. Good jogging landscapes. We have a morning jogging, of course, a couple of kilometers. Fireplace, deep sandy beach. Soon ahead, this some kind of altari for the leirikirkko. Here you can have services. Unfortunately, the gross is needs some maintenance. Then again, cable lift over the lake on the right, and on the left, double-sided cabin. We were there with Tilipussy people later this summer. On the right, next to the beach, very good fireplace covered from snow, rain. Okay, and the main building, double floor building, reception again, and kiosk. They sell some candies and refreshments and sodas and maybe ice cream when this place is open. Okay, couple minutes more. Try to have endurance. On the left is some kind of information house, but okay, in a way this is the main road to this area, actually the only road, 1 kilometer to the tarmac road, and during springtime this is filled with snow because it isn't opened. You can have a 1 meter snow over this road. We have experienced that many times. You need to have a snowmobile to go there during the spring and winter time. Okay, that's about it. Enjoy the road. We are soon in the end. It was good to see you all. Please see you all on our next video. Bye.